Hi, I'm Kyle with Maverick Car Company, and today we're going to answer a few questions for you. So an oil filter is typically changed as part of your oil change process. It's what filters and strains out debris and contaminants when your oil is going back through your engine. So it actually circulates through the oil filter, then back through your engine so that it's nice and clean going back in. If you don't change your oil filter, it can be pretty harmful because you can keep all that debris in there, and sometimes the debris over time can break through that filter and then go back into the engine and start doing some damage. So your oil filter should be changed with your engine oil every single time. So whatever oil change interval you have for your vehicle, you should also change your oil filter with your oil. So there's different levels of oil filters when you go to a Napa or an O'Reilly Auto Parts. However, I believe it is personal preference, both off price and quality. It's kind of hard to say whether the $30 filter is any better than the $10 filter, but either way, it's a good idea just to change it.